Hey guys, BrickQueen here with a Lego Dino set for you guys. This is a 2012 set, and it is set number 5882, Ambush Attack. It has 80 pieces, and the set cost about $12 or $13. You can see the box is sitting right here, and there's the back of your box. And you have, this is the dinosaur that comes with this one. Of course, no moving legs or arms or anything like that. It's just one piece like this. And this is basically a bush for the dinosaur to hide behind. It's just leaves and such. And then here's the little Dino Hunter with his tranquilizer gun. I just dropped. And there's his second face there. And here's his little vehicle. You know, he's got his flick fire missiles here on each side. Pretty basic little set, but I do like the dinosaur that you get in it, so it's pretty neat actually. Not sure if it's really worth $12 or $13. I'd say 10, but that's just me. Anyway, comment below, let me know what you guys think about it. And please also like and favorite this video. And please, please, please subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thanks.